Truck Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Jining City, Shandong Province. The location is excellent and the transportation is convenient. The company is mainly engaged in the sale of new truck and used truck. The main products include used truck, how truck, dump truck tractor, head mixer, truck, etc. We have a wealth of industry experience and are a reliable supplier. Our affiliated factory has advanced production equipment and skilled frontline employees. Our company knows that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. The company has established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. The company continuously releases the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. The company wants the customer's thoughts and urgency. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. Our company's products are sold worldwide and we can produce high-quality Sina trucks, used trucks,